Harvey Wallbanger Day, guys. Harvey Wallbanger is a mixed drink. It's a mixed drink that's made with vodka. Okay, let's talk about this day. Harvey Wallbanger Day is celebrated every November the 8th. Every November the 8th in the United States. This little drink holiday here parallels with the National Cappuccino Day as well. Now, I did do a previous video on National Cappuccino Day there, and so this video we're going to be talking about the Harvey Wallbanger. So let's hop right in this, and I'm going to give you the recipe on this drink so you can go to town, get the ingredients that you need, and come home and make these drinks and serve them up and celebrate National Harvey Wallbanger Day. These drinks, guys, are usually always served in a highball glass. Okay, so let me hop in here. I'm going to tell you what the ingredients are. Okay, guys, this cocktail, it is considered a cocktail. Okay, this cocktail is made with, let me put it up here for you. I got it right here for you. This cocktail is made with 3 parts vodka, 1 part vanilla Galliano, and 6 parts fresh orange juice. Okay, can you see it right here? 3 parts vodka, 1 part vanilla Galliano, and 6 parts fresh orange juice. All right, guys. Now, the instructions on making this drink, it's really simple. You mix the vodka and orange juice together in ice in a glass, and then you actually float the vanilla Galliano on top of that, right? And then you garnish. When you garnish it, most Harvey Wallbangers are garnished with a slice of orange to accompany the orange juice that's in the drink. And a lot of times maraschino cherry is also in that as well. So that's pretty much it, guys. Harvey Wallbanger Day. Go to town and get what you need. Give it a try. See if you like a Harvey Wallbanger if you've never had one before. Okay, guys. Have a great day. Happy November 8th and happy Harvey Wallbanger Day. Bye-bye.